Okay.
That's the best. That's the recipe.
This is the best gnocchi we've ever made. Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
Is your mic on?
Yeah, I think so.
Just kidding. Yeah, mine's on. I just want to throw you off here. What are we doing tonight? She said she's going to embarrass me, so I had to throw a curveball at her.
Well, tonight we're not making pizza. Tonight we're making gnocchi.
With the pronunciation.
The Italian pronunciation.
Yes.
Which is John's favorite. We've made it many times, not always successfully.
Would you say maybe 50-50?
Probably 50-50. So we'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a different recipe.
Yeah. We tried it once with the Japanese purple potatoes.
Oh, that was a train
wreck. Was that
wreck.
also gluten-free?
Yeah,
maybe we should try it again with that new gluten-free flour.
That was just a train wreck.
It was a backup. Let's do Uber Eats or something for dinner.
No.
But we tried. But when it works, it's amazing. So we're going to try a new recipe today. We'll share it with you. If we have to adjust things,
then we will, and we'll share that.
Then we'll tell you.
Yeah. But the last gnocchi video that we did, it was store bought, and so we really were. If you haven't figured it out, we're big fans of if you can make it yourself. You know what's in it. It's just better. Yeah. And so we would really love to find something that is like cookie cutter repeatable. Yeah. And as Katie shared, I love gnocchi. So
I have a tickle in my throat. So let's make gnocchi.
Okay, here we go.
To get started, we're going to fill our pan with our potatoes and cold water. Then we're going to boil our whole unpeeled potatoes until they're soft. Carefully remove them to not break the skin because we don't want any of the water or moisture to get into the potato. And we cooled them in ice water so they were easy to peel. The potatoes peel really easily with the butter knife, and then we're using a potato ricer to get them into a fine consistency that we can mix well with our 00 flour. Once all of our potatoes have been riced, the next step is to make our egg replacer, and we're using Bob's Red Mill, which works really, really well for baking. Then we can start kneading the dough, and you'll see that it really comes together nicely. We're going to knead and knead and knead, and this is John's workout for the day. After some time, it becomes soft and pliable. And when it's almost ready, we add just enough additional flour to make sure that it's not sticky and it's really smooth. We're going to form it into a ball, wrap it in cling wrap, and let it sit for about 30 minutes to rest. Our dough is rested and it's time to start forming our gnocchi. We're going to cut our dough into quarters and work with 1 quarter at a time, working it lengthwise into a long tube. Then we're going to flour our gnocchi board, cut the dough into bite-sized pieces, and then gently roll them down the gnocchi board onto a floured pan. If you don't have a gnocchi board, you can also use the back of a fork, and that works just perfect. To cook our gnocchi, we're going to start with boiling water that we've salted. We'll put them in gently, and they'll start to float to the top after about 3 to 4 minutes. While they're boiling, we're going to start our pan with some butter and olive oil. Once the butter and olive oil are sizzling, we're going to add our garlic and sage, and then our drained gnocchi, salt, pepper, and let them brown and crisp up. We're going to give them an occasional stir, and when they're golden brown, they are ready to eat and so delicious.
Oh, do your wedding ring?
Oh, sure. We can be married.
Okay. I'm not planning on dropping anything, so no. I don't need a napkin.
No, this looks like something you'd find in a restaurant. This looks...
You'd pay a lot of money for this.
Oh, it looks so spectacular.
And they look like the lightest, fluffiest. I'm getting the Parmesan.
Okay.
Uh-huh. That's the best. That's the recipe.
This is the best gnocchi we've ever made.
It's light. It's potatoey. It's not like a little bread ball.
Yeah.
I love bread, but.
And the, so sauteing them in the pan right after gave the outer part a little bit of a skin, a crisp, but then the center is still nice and
those are good.
Soft and pillowy. We just wanted to make them quickly in a way that would be easy for us to taste them, but
we're freezing half of them, so we'll see how that works for leftovers.
Yeah, maybe we'll share a video on that, but pesto, red sauce, I mean,
our pesto,
yes,
homemade fresh pesto of any variety. But butter, truffle oil, and sage, like the sage smells
and garlic.
And garlic. Smells really, really good in big pieces. So if you're not a garlic fan, you can pluck it out, but you're gonna still taste it.
Home run, home run, home run. I'm so happy.
This is like the 180 of the purple potato experience.
Oh my gosh. And I, just like Katie had shared a couple videos back with the limoncello, gnocchi.
You'll always get that if it's on there. I want a twisty noodle. He always wants gnocchi.
I want gnocchi. It's not really pasta, it's a dumpling, but I don't care. It makes me happy. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this. If you do make this, please let us know. We would love
how it turns out.
Yes, everything is down below in terms of recipe, but home run.
Yeah,
home run.
Absolutely.
So
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya. God. Where you? Hey! Get back here.